सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। शांति शांति शांति।
Health is wealth, say you all. Make healthy choices, be fit and tall. Find fresh fruits, fast food flown. Eat green veg, have rice brown. Do some yoga and play a ball. Health is wealth, say you all. Namaste, welcome to the Morning Fitness Assembly. Today's date is 2nd January 2021, Saturday. ને ગુજરાતી કેલેન્ડર પ્રમાણે માગસર મહિનાની ત્રીજ છે. So let us start with the भजन.
चार जाति कर्म क्षय करी, प्राप्त किए गुण चार, ते ही नर वंदन करी, करु आत्म उद्धार। मनुष्य अपने ज्ञान और प्रतिभा से कभी नहीं हारता, बल्कि वो जल्द ही अपने आत्म मनोबल से हार जाता है। संसार में कोई भी ऐसी शक्ति नहीं जो अपने मन की शक्ति से अधिक शक्तिशाली हो। मन पर विजय प्राप्त करके उसी विश्वास के साथ आगे बढ़ने का नाम ही जिंदगी है। आइए मन की शक्ति का गुणगान करती ये प्रार्थना, हमको मन की शक्ति देना, मन विजय करे।
मन की शक्ति देना
Take care of your body, it's the only place you have to live. Rightfully said by Jim Rohn. After all, we have only one body to last us through, and keeping fit is the key. But what do you mean by keeping fit, and how to do that? Fitness is the condition of our body when it works to its best. It involves being physically fit and healthy, and it also involves being mentally alert and agile. So, you mean to say that fitness can be divided into two parts, physical fitness and mental fitness? Yes, that's right. Let us listen to our friend explain about them in details. Physical fitness keeps our body fit, so it can perform all the tasks easily. There are many ways to keep our body fit, like doing yoga, exercising regularly, playing sports, eating healthy food, maintaining a healthy routine, and many more. Exercising regularly keeps us fit. Some of the exercises are very simple, like walking, jogging, stretching, dancing, etc. Some exercises need to be done under guidance, and we can approach trainers for the same. We can also go to a gym and use fitness equipment to keep fit. These exercises keep muscles, heart and other parts of our body fit. What? Dancing? Dancing helps us to stay fit. I love dancing. Yes, dancing burns extra fat. It keeps our heart and lungs healthy. It teaches us to coordinate our body with the rhythm of the music and strengthens our muscles too. Let's put our friend doing that. Walking on a rope, hula hoops, doing cartwheels is a part of physical exercise which is known as gymnastics. It often uses equipment like bars, ropes and many other material. It helps us in bending and twisting our body like an elastic. Our friend Fiona is going to show us her skills in gymnastics. exercising has burned my calories. I am very hungry and can't wait for my lunch. I wonder what my mom must have cooked today. What is there to wonder? Moms never make anything else besides chapatis, vegetables, rice, dal and salad. But that's because it's a balanced diet. What do you mean by balanced diet? My mom never takes or balances any food item. She just serves them separately in a thali. Ha 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 ha. Balanced diet doesn't mean stacking the food items so that they balance. Balanced diet means to eat carbohydrates, protein, vitamins, calcium and minerals in such a way that our body gets them all in the correct proportion to remain healthy. But my mom now gives me the things which you spoke just now. Dear friend, the roti which you eat gives you carbohydrates so that your body has enough energy to work through the day. The dal which you eat gives you proteins so that your body grows and repairs whenever you get hurt. The vegetables give you vitamins to keep your eyes and other organs healthy. Even the milk, curd, buttermilk give your body proteins and calcium. Oh, that is why moms make us eat all of these. I never knew that. Now I will eat all of these happily so that I grow up to be as strong as Hanumanji. Ha 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 ha. Eating the right food and in the right quantity is very important to stay fit. Just like right food, even yoga helps us to stay fit. The word yoga has originated from use a word in Sanskrit language. It means to unite. Yoga helps in creating a harmony between both body and mind. There are many types of yoga. Asanas like pranayam, kapalbhati, surya namaskar, etc. Let us watch our friend Marvik performing surya namaskar. Namaste everyone. Today I am going to show you how to do surya namaskar. Om Mitraya Namaha. Wow, that energizes my body and mind both. Do you know, friends, mental fitness is also an important part of fitness. There are special kinds of exercises which help us to keep mentally and physically fit, like brain gym exercises. This kind of exercises help in coordinating the body and brain.
They improve our ability to concentrate, memorize as they activate both the hemispheres of the brain. Let us watch our friends doing some of these exercises.
I will be showing you the brain gym exercise. Cross crawl, which is very helpful to improve our memory along with reading, listening and writing skills. It also coordinates the whole brain. In this exercise, we have to first put our right elbow on left knee and then the left elbow on right knee. We can continue this for few times. Now let us all see how this exercise can be done. I will be showing you the brain gym exercise. Energy on by doing this exercise. It relaxes our jaw and eyes and it also improves our creativity. In this exercise, we have to rub our fingers at the joints of our upper and lower jaw. And then we have to yawn 2-3 times. Now let us all see how this exercise can be done. Showing you the brain gym exercise, Lazy 8. By doing this exercise, help us in improving eye muscle movement and coordination. In this exercise, we have to put our right hand and open first finger in front of us and draw big 8 3 times in the air and focus on the finger with our eyes without moving our head. Repeat this exercise 3 times with the left hand. Now let us all see how this exercise can be done. I will be showing you the brain gym exercise, the thinking gap, which helps to increase listening and thinking skills and also improve our short-term memory. In this exercise, we have to keep our thumb on the back of the ear and the side of the first finger in the front and gently curl back the outer part of both the ears at the same time. Continue this till the bottom of the ears. Now let us all see how this exercise can be done. Along with these exercises, activities like solving puzzles and visual perception worksheets also build our mental fitness. Even playing games like chess test your memory, helping keeping mentally charged up. Friends, fitness is not about being better than anyone else. It's about becoming better than we used to be. So let us pledge to keep fit by adapting to a healthy lifestyle. Let us now stand up for the national anthem. Assembly Southern.
जन गण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड़ उत्कल बंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मांगे गाहे तव जय गाथा जनगण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे
Assembly Vishram. This program must have definitely motivated you to choose well of staying fit. Yes, if you are like me and keep thinking that the gym is too far and there isn't a trainer good enough, then we have some healthy alternatives for you. Let us listen to our friend Paul sharing them. We all love to be champions at everything we do, whether it is participating in sports, competitions or quizzes. Each one of us wants to be a winner. So what makes a winner? Healthy food and regular exercises to keep body and mind fit. Let us think if there are simple and easy ways which help us to stay fit. Instead of lift, you can use stairs. Help mom to carry bags. Use cycle to get things from neighborhood. Playing outdoor games rather than playing on mobile or watching TV. Running to complete simple errands like getting a glass of water, taking pets out for a walk. So, are there more ways which can be easily adapted to stay fit? Such a
શ્રી તુલસીદાસ રચિત મર્યાદા પુરુષોત્તમ ભગવાન શ્રી રામના ગુણગાનજીમાં સમાયેલા છે એવી સ્તુતિ શ્રી રામચંદ્ર કૃપાલુ ભજમન હરણ ભવ ભય દારુણમ કે ભગવાન શ્રી રામનું ફક્ત નામ જ કાફી છે તમારા દરેક દુઃખોને તમારા ભવના પાપોને હરી લેવા માટે. શ્રી રામ કે જેના નામ માત્રથી પથ્થર પણ પાણીમાં તરવા લાગે છે, જેમણે શબરીનો ઉદ્ધાર કર્યો, જેમણે હનુમાનની ભક્તિનો સ્વીકાર કર્યો, એવા ભગવાન શ્રી રામની સુંદર સ્તુતિ પ્રસ્તુત છે.
श्री रामचंद्र कृपालु भजमन हरण भव भय दारुणम्. नव कंज लोचन कंज मुख कर कंज पद कंजारुणम्. कंदार्पया गणितयमित छविनवनील नीरज सुन्दरम्. पीत मानहु तड़ित रुचि सुचि नवमी जनक सुतावरम भजो दीन बंधु दीनेश दानव दैत्य वंश निकंदनम रघुनंद आनंद कंद कौशल चंद दशरथ नंदनम शिर मुकुट कुंडल तिलक चारो दार अंग विभूषण आजानु भुज सर चाप धर संग्राम जित खर दोषणम इति वदति तुलसीदास शंकर शेष मुनि मनरंजनम मम हृदय कंज निवास गुरु कामादि खल दल गंजनम श्री रामचंद्र कृपालु भज मन हरण भव भय दारुणम